Good morning, everyone. August the 3rd today at 6:15 in the morning. We are on the strawberry field. It's an airport field that the fire department uses, the forest fire department uses. It's an all open area. As you see, we're gonna do the first toss today, and it's about a mile and a half, maybe 2 miles away. All right, they've been sitting here for a little while now, not long. So we're gonna let them go in about 5 minutes. We got 44 birds right here. It's their first toss, so they're kind of a little scared about it. But they've been in the baskets 3 or 4 times already. So let's get them going here. You see my videos before, you know this is not my first time I'm doing this, so give me 1 second. And they're taking their time, they don't know what to do. They're all out. But you know, it's just the way they are. First time out. All right, come on guys, let's go. I'm not gonna scare them. All the youngsters is gonna start eating the grass. They're very tame. There you are. First time together. 2-mile toss. They're doing very well. Let's get a little closer here. I guess pretty soon I'm gonna have to get a camcorder. Just getting a little tired with that iPhone 6. It's not that far home, so let's see what happens. You know, it's the first time out, so I mean first time in the toss. Hey, not bad, not bad. Like I said, I had to get up real early in the morning because it's kind of warm today. It's right now it's 77 degrees. So it's going to go up to 90, 92 today, so got to do it early. Yeah, they're already on the way home. Okay, Stratos 5907, just a short update for you. I'll let you know what's going to happen when I get home. Good day, everyone.